Hello everyone. Now I will sum up this dashboard here. Now at so many worksheets, dashboards and other features are there. I will scroll it first and then we will go one by one through this. If I feel like I will discuss there, otherwise many things I have already explained to you. This was our problem statement 1 and 2. This one, few of the things I have explored, but still you can do it. So this is what that YOY sales was there, and then say YTD and PYTD, that is year to date and previous year sales, that values are there. Bar chart was there for that, but here the values are there. See, now here you just pick up those fields, say from here, the one we have already used it as a calculated field. I will put a filter over here, that is only calculation. Now it is only showing those fields which we have modified for our purpose for the data analysis. Okay, so here those YTD total sales or PYTD total sales are there. As the figures are in of sales, so I put the dollars over there, and percentage growth also it is indicating. Then this is another, this is a number actually, that is 13.26k and 10.65, and this is the overall growth in that. In the similar fashion you have to use the calculated field here, same formula. Don't commit the mistake of those aggregate non-aggregate functions. Use a proper syntax which is there as we have demonstrated in one of the video which just now I have shown you, so you can refer those now. Similarly, this is for the price, then percentage increase. This is 1.0 because there does not exist previous year for the data which we are having, so definitely it will take ratio as 1. This is the visual which is not giving much more information. Gender I have put over here. So this is color percentage, this I have shown you, and here I have changed the colors also, that black, red and same is for black. I have selected the sector color as black. Then this is the donut chart with which I have demonstrated you. Now this is week of the date and the price percentages, but I have put here the filter here for the gender. Now this one is showing me the sales which is catered to the male gender, and otherwise pink is for the female one. You try this also. Then week on week sales. Now this chart, can you make this kind of chart? So this I am again leaving it to you. I will scroll it to the right for further dashboard. See here there is a one area chart and other is line chart. What funda you have to use? Again the same funda. See, if I drop this here, then I get the line chart, right? Now if you just press the control and place this field here, okay, and then select the mark type, that is say area, and then change this color, make 0 axis funda as you have seen in the donut pie chart which we have modified with the trick. The same logic you have to use, and you can make a very good dashboard with your tricks. Okay, then it is a dashboard. I could not do much artwork in this, but you can get the even backgrounds for the dashboard also on Google itself. I have just put the pink color while formatting the canvas for the dashboard. Now here I have used some filters over here, but I have not put the one feature is there that you can use the horizontal container, vertical container. Probably it is there in another page. Okay, so here it is showing me the YTD, PYTD, the metrics, then the cars sold, and this one just now which we have seen, and donut and pie charts. Okay, so you please make this. Here you can apply the filters. I have connected these with each other, like you apply the filters and so on, and then you will find the change in the values. Okay, now it is not showing the change. Anyway, probably in second one it is there. Now this is the again here I have used that provision. Probably it will respond now here. So no, sorry, it is in this one. Now it is responding here because I have connected, I have interlinked with this one. Now it is only showing for the black, again I go back to this, then it is showing data for the this one. So only one visual will control the others. That is how we have to set. The same mistake I did in the previous one where the pink canvas was there. Now this is the again donut. Now what one more feature you have, but prior to that I will change this and make available all the colors. Sorry, not this one, sorry, this one. Now it is showing that. Now if I go with the option in dashboard, so you have an option here to go for the web page. So whatever the dashboard you see for say some professionals, okay, so this you can add. So this is our live page of rknec.edu. I have given this URL and I have added this one of the visual over here, wherein I can again change the conditions over here and say may get something. So you can add more visuals here, and on the URL itself you can publish it. Now one more feature at the last, that is about the navigation. Now navigation is basically, it is a kind of story. So dashboard is maybe dashboard feature say maybe can be used by the CEO of the companies and so on. But further, if you want to show your presentation to even superior authorities, maybe the owner or the biggest shareholders of the company, then you have to use these features. Now here what is being done, I have to select the navigation, this one here, and then this is triggered, then you can change these values and so on. So I have added this income versus price, I have given them name, clicked OK and so on. So but if you click this it won't work, but it works only in show. So if I go for say this one, then I can see on full screen, that is week of the day and price percentage, maybe the gender or whatever variable you have selected here. So this is how you can apply the navigation bar to your dashboard. So let us hope you have understood these things and you apply these features when you go on hands-on. So thank you so much.